In 1984, the University of South Florida's College of Public Health became the first public health college in the state of Florida. We now stand at the epicenter of today's global healthcare challenges. We are USF's College of Public Health. The field of public health affects areas some may not immediately consider. Each day, our mission is to protect every aspect of human health, from the water we drink and the air we breathe, to the food we eat and the environments in which we work and play. We're a force of social responsibility, committed to enhancing the human condition for the greater good. We're an agent of collaboration, forging a powerful union of education, research, and practical application to solve global health challenges. We are a source of hope, transforming the health of our human family, because every human being deserves to realize their full potential. The values we hold highest are also those that drive our motivation to continually seek better health outcomes, both locally and globally. We protect and preserve health and life by striving to eliminate the factors that endanger them, while promoting proactive, preventive measures. Our culture facilitates the open exchange of ideas in service to humanity, bringing out the best in the people we train to carry our mission forward. Every day, we selflessly dedicate ourselves to transformational research and an interdisciplinary approach that delivers improved health outcomes for all human beings. We will passionately solve problems and create conditions that allow every person the universal right to health and well-being, no matter how they live or where they call home. A breakthrough awaiting discovery, a generation looking for hope, a disaster area longing for relief, a team seeking answers, a future demanding action. We're here. We're the USF College of Public Health.